Now, it's absolutely chucking it out there. Absolutely hurling it down. Y'all sure you want to go out? Go. Lilo? Do you want to? I'm surprised Stitchy boy has. Yep, he's going to hide instantly. There's a shocker. Why don't you go outside, Lilo, eh? Especially after this morning's adventure of running and jumping over multiple fences into neighbours' gardens. Do you want to go outside? Come on, let's go outside. I've already lost Stitch. There he is. I've already lost one cat today. Don't really want to get the other one lost. Stitch, you like being outside? Oh no, she's come out. If you jump the fence again, Lilo, I will get the cattle prod. Hello, Lilo. I only knocked that chair over so it wouldn't get full of water. It's got full of water anyway. Is it a bit too wet for you? And the beans are coming along nicely, that's something. Beans. Getting kicked out of your own hidey hole, eh, Lilo? Oh, indeed. But you will never jump on the fence again. Fucking barbed wire fencing all over the place. Exactly, it's wet. Are you quite done, Lilo? Have you had enough? Be moist. Kind of surprised you both wanted to come out, to be honest. Hey, you. No. No, you're not. No, you're not going over the gate or under it. Oh wow, for once Stitch has been clever. Oh my. Lilo, you're actually enjoying outside time considering you're wet. Hey boy, don't you go doing it now. Oh no, my feet are moist. Moister than an oyster. Oh god. Hey Stitch. Come on you two, the rain's getting worse, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. No space for a second one? Oh no. You know the door's open, you could just go straight inside. Or you could hide underneath the strawberries. So yeah, that's what you're going to do. Yeah, I thought so. Oh, no, she's had enough. Yeah, she went flying. There you go. I thought that might do it. There we go, finally.